Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best laptop desks for bed available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Mind Reader Desk. Rise up. Unfold the legs to raise the desk to a comfortable height and elevate the desk, or fold them back underneath to provide a flat surface. Keep it cool. The smooth, flat surface helps to provide resistance to overheating while supporting your laptop, tablet, or handheld gaming console. Multi-purpose surface. The smooth, flat panel of this lap desk makes it ideal for multiple uses other than supporting a laptop, including drawing, reading, taking notes, or even knitting and other crafts. Cup holder. The built-in indent for holding cups, cans, and other items makes a great way to protect your tablet or notebook from condensation while providing a dedicated space to hold a drink. Convenient to carry. The cutout carry handle in this handy lap desk makes it easy for you to carry from room to room, or pack in your luggage to take with you when traveling. Number 4. Uncaged Desk. Multi-purpose lap desk. 21.7 x 13.8 inch desktop accommodates laptop's perfect fit to 15.6 and holds up to 17. The bed trail. Always plenty of space for you to surf the net, read or do arts and crafts while sitting on the sofa or having breakfast in bed. Built to last. 100% natural bamboo, which is as durable as solid wood. Specially constructed tabletop withstands heavy loads and will not wear out or deform. Convenience for all. The breakfast table have 5 angled positions for various viewing experience. 9.1 plus 13.8 plus inch height adjust range fits people of different heights. Convenient design. Worry-saving cup groove. Small drawer with built-in magnet for storing pen, notepad, or phone without worry of the drawer rolling out. A stopper prevents your lap from slipping from the desktop. Pre-assembled and worry-free. No assembly required. It's ready to go right out of the box. Feel free to reach to our customer service if you have any trouble with this product. Your satisfaction is our priority. Number 3. Amazon Desk. The versatile, adjustable table is an ideal surface for using a laptop or tablet from a couch, chair or bed, and doubles as a breakfast or TV tray, study/writing surface, and more. Constructed with rugged aluminum alloy with a robust load-bearing, engineered design. Adjust height range from 9.4 inches up to 12.6 inches. Angle from 0 to 36 degrees for ideal viewing comfort. Lightweight structure with retractable, folding legs for easy storage and portability, great for using at home, at the office, or on the road. A detachable mouse and notebook slip pad helps prevent items from sliding off the laptop bed tray desk. Dimensions: 20.5 x 11.8 x 0.35 inches, up to 17 inches of laptop area with space to operate a mouse. Number 2. Uncaged Desk. Ergonomic laptop stand. Easily adjust the height and tilt of your laptop to optimize viewing angles, improve your posture, and compute more comfortably. Laptop desk stand. Hold laptops in an ergonomically correct position when sitting or standing at a desk with this adjustable laptop desk stand. Laptop lap desk. Slips over your legs, giving you the freedom to stretch out and move when watching movies, working, or browsing in bed or on the couch. Raises laptops off your lap and keeps them cool. Ambidextrous mouse pad. Quickly connects to the right or left, is easy to install, and quick to remove. Cools laptops plus ambidextrous mouse pad. 16.511 aluminum panel naturally dissipates heat to cool laptops. Removable mouse pad quickly connects to the right or left of the panel for optimal ergonomics. It's easy to install and quick to remove. Number 1. Aventredesk. Highly versatile. This multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to your office, home, or home office. Use it as a multifunctional workstation, a standing desk for office work, a snack tray for watching TV, a laptop or tablet stand for relaxing in bed, or a food table to enjoy breakfast in bed. Turn your workspace into an ergonomic dream. Use on a regular desktop to turn it into a standing workstation and free yourself of the body aches that come with sitting and staring at a computer all day. Choose your angle. Pull on the lock button to adjust the surface to a 35-degree angle for your viewing pleasure. Easy to use. You can easily enable quick height changes on this table using 2 auto-lock buttons on each side. In addition, you can also adjust the surface angle from 0 to 30 by pulling a lock button and releasing it when you get the desired angle. Light but sturdy. This table is light enough to carry around, ergonomic, environmentally friendly, yet strongly built and durable, having been made of 100% high-quality engineered wood. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link equals.